everyone, good evening. Today Annadata Sukhi Bhava, the bread giver is Sukhi Bhava. We convey our sincere thanks on behalf of Amma Asara Foundation and Bhartamata Social Service Societies Home for the Destitute, Mentally Physically Challenged Senior Citizens to Srimati Manjula Garu, Sri Jiju Garu and family members. Today, occasion of Manava Seva is Madhava Seva mission to satisfy the hunger of 65 homeless elderly people for sponsoring breakfast food to the inmates on the occasion of 7th May 2024 on the occasion of happy birthday to the Srimati Manjula Garu. Many more happy returns of the day Manjula Garu and Annadata Sukhi Bhava, and best wishes from your family members and friends and colleagues and Julie Pende sir, and my best wishes from Bhartamata home. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Manjula Madam Garu. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, madam. Thank you so much for your support. And we pray the God Sri Rama to bless the sponsors, Srimati Manjula Garu, Sri Jiju Garu, Srinjivi Jayanti Garu, Srinjivi Rashmi Garu, Srimati Ramya Garu, Sri Sudhir Garu, Samarth Garu, Shravya Garu, Srimati Prasanna Garu, Aravind Garu, and Shruti Garu and family members with the fulfill of 100 years health, wealth, prosperity and longevity. And especially thanks to the Sri Julie Pende sir and Pushpali Amma Garu 365 days support to this ashramam. We also pray the God to Sri Rama to bless the Pende sir and family members with the fulfill 100 years of fulfill health, wealth, prosperity and longevity. And especially thanks to the Ramya Madam Garu and 365 days and any occasion to Danda in ashramam. You will give the alms, we are receive the alms today. Food menu items for the breakfast. Fruits, watermelon, like a sweet kaja, like a morning breakfast ukma and mango pickle. Annadata Sukhi Bhava. Annadata
Sukhi Bhava.
Annadata
Sukhi Bhava.
Sukhi Bhava.
Annadata Sukhi Bhava.
Sukhi Bhava. Sukhi Bhava.
Annadata Sukhi Bhava.
Huh?